Good afternoon and welcome.
Hello everyone.
We are in Wales, as our want. We'd like to come to Wales as much as we can.
And we're back in Bala.
Yeah, at our favourite little cafe.
Had a Woody special breakfast.
Yep, small breakfast, and so did Mal, who sat in the back there. So, 3 small breakfasts, really nice, can recommend it. If you're in this area.
Merlin didn't have any.
No, Merlin he stayed in the motor. He wasn't hungry.
He was guarding the car.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he was quite happy, strapped in there, in the back. We're parked.
Just strangled myself.
Oh, don't strangle yourself, it's no good. As I say, we're just parked by Woody's Cafe, which is by the reservoir.
Oh.
For Llyn
Tegid,
yes, that's right. Yeah.
I remembered.
Some people call it Bala Lake. It's actually, the name is Llyn Tegid. We're going to go for a little drive now. Don't know where I'm going yet, but we'll see when we get there.
I don't know where we're going because I never know where we're going.
No. It's all.
He just points to the car and goes.
It's all ad hoc.
Ad hoc. Or haddock.
Haddock.
It's all haddock.
It's all haddock. Yeah, it's not the best of days, but it's not raining, so a bit cloudy, a bit breezy, but hey ho.
It was cold in the bloody cafe.
It was, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, they had the door open facing the lake, and there was a draft coming straight through. It's actually warmer stood outside than it was in the cafe. Anyway, let's head off on track and see where we go.
Yeah, come on, you've already been rambling for 2 minutes. Come on.
Yep, off we go.
Looks a bit dark up there. It's threatening.
Very black and moody. They have give possible showers today, so we might have some rain at some stage.
Yeah.
But
dogs everywhere today.
Yeah. It's actually Father's Day today. If it gives you some idea what time of year it is. It won't be Father's Day by the time this video goes up.
No.
Long past it, but
it's the something of June.
Yeah.
15th?
15th of June, isn't it?
I don't know. I can't tell.
It is 15th.
My watch doesn't show me.
Doesn't it?
No, it's the 15th, yeah.
Yeah, 15th.
I have to remember which way to swipe.
What? Let's hit the road. We've got the lake on our left there. It's quite choppy today.
There's another little cafe there on the roadside.
Yeah.
We went there once.
We did, yeah.
First time we came here, we went in that one.
Yeah, before we knew about the other one. The only reason we'd not been back to live because the food's so good in Woody's. So we've never bothered going back to the other.
Yeah, well, I think that one's more cakes and stuff. It's not cooked.
No. I think you're right. It's a little tea shop. Although we might be wrong, I don't know. There we are, Snowdonia National Park.
Mary Jones World.
Yeah, just there. It is actually open. I don't know what is there.
What is Mary Jones World?
No idea.
It's a cemetery.
Yeah. And a church.
Yeah.
Not sure if that's anything to do with it, but still.
I shouldn't have thought so.
No. It's supposed to be summer, but it's a typical English summer's day. Bit of sun, dark clouds, threatening with rain. Typical English summer.
Mary Jones World is a museum, pilgrim centre.
How is it? worth a visit then,
And
possibly.
there's a picture of the church, so maybe the cemetery is to do with it.
Ah. Okay. Well, that's one on the hit list. Sometime. I have seen it as we've driven past it before now, but never really thought to have a look what it was.
There you are. In 1800, after saving money for 6 years, a 15-year-old girl called Mary Jones walked 26 miles from Llanfihangel, Pennant, to Bala to buy a Bible.
Ah.
A book she'd been longing to own for years. Her journey inspired the establishment of the British and Foreign Bible Society.
Oh. Quite important. Is that why the church is there then as well, possibly?
Grade 2 listed.
The churches.
Don't know if it's the church or the centre itself.
Uh-huh.
There's a cafe there as well.
Oh, right. Okay.
Children's playground, picnic area and facilities. Interesting.
Yeah. And it's actually on the A494.
Right next to Llyntegid.
Yeah. Just after the town.
Thank you, Mr. Google, for your information.
There's something else just here on the left as well, on the brown sign. Don't know what it is.
Flynn. Still to do with the Flynn.
Yeah.
Bit of low cloud up on the hill there.
There is a bit, isn't there? Yeah.
It's looking a bit threatening, that sky.
It isn't too dark. It's too bad. We'll see. The bits of blue here and there.
There was lots of blue on the drive here.
There was. There's blue on those hills.
It's all disappeared now.
Blue on those mountains ahead. Bits of it.
It was fine until we started recording.
Oh, that's typical, isn't it?
It was sunny.
Yeah.
They won't believe us though, because it's not sunny now.
No. Look at that. Typical. No traffic, and then I come to turn right and there's a load of traffic. Man on the motorbike patiently waiting behind me.
You can't go anywhere, can
No,
you?
you can't. Oh, here we go. This is a gap.
Yeah.
He's turning as well. No, there we go.
He flashed you to save. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, all right. Perfect timing. Passing place. Oh, he's having to reverse now because the car coming. Very narrow road, this one. to replace their Welsh flag.
Ours is all right at the moment.
Yeah. Yes, we have a Welsh flag flying at home. Lovely old church there. Nothing done with it. Still in use by the looks.
Yeah. Bison in the field there. Looks like it could be bison.
Oh, I
there.
missed that. I was watching this van.
Yeah, just to the right. You can't see because of the
The hedge.
edge. Didn't look like cattle. They looked like bison
Ah.
because they had that humpy bit, you know.
Oh, yes. Yeah. There is actually a campsite up here somewhere.
Do I want to know that?
No, not really.
Oh,
Some of the others may want to know.
I don't do camping.
No.
And we are in for some rain because I've got a headache.
Ah. Not good.
The air pressure's building. Hello, sheeps. Hello, babbies.
And some little sheeps. This year's lambs growing up now.
They're all getting big now. Nearly ready for the oven.
Aha.
This is pretty.
Yes, it is.
Klaus Vinnif.
Yeah. There is only one thing. I'm going to have to be opening and shutting gates soon.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's my choice to come this way.
Yeah. One thing's for certain, I'm not getting out and opening them.
Although the last time we did do this road, there was a comment from a gentleman who said, "Why doesn't the wife get out?"
Yeah, he wanted to know if I was disabled.
Yeah, well, you aren't. You're not very good at the moment because of your shoulder, so getting in and out of the motor is not easy. And there's the caravan park. This is a mountain drive, takes you through the mountain area. Obviously. Soon we get into our first gate. We'll get some beeps and bangs now as I leave the door and the seat.
Let's take a picture while he's gone.
And off we go again. Look at that cloud, I could get a bit wet.
Yes. Well, you chose to come to a gated road.
Well, yeah. It's alright, I won't drown. Might get a bit soggy. Take your time, boys, take your time. They thought nobody else was on the road, didn't they?
No, they think they own it.
Yeah. Now, just up ahead, I don't know whether you can see
The
that.
waterfall.
Yeah. Can we get a close-up of that?
Don't think we can.
Let's
Can try.
There it is, bottom of the screen. There. Fabulous waterfall.
Let's see if I can get it.
Nesta's going to see if she can get a close-up.
Do you want it sideways?
Yeah.
Actually, if I take a little video of it, you can slot it in, can't you?
Yeah.
Keep my camera still. There it is.
Right, well, we have got to come to the end of this video because it's getting quite long.
Yes,
So,
indeed.
If you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe.
And we'll catch you again shortly.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
There it is.